How to lock or unlock SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Then in here, go down and then tap on more security settings. Next, tap on SIM card security. And at the top here, tap on lock SIM card. Tap on the toggle button to lock it. Here you need to enter in the current SIM card pin to lock it. And then tap on OK. So it is now turned on. To unlock the SIM card or to turn off the lock mechanism, you can tap on the toggle button, then enter the pin, and then tap on OK to turn off. Now this is your SIM pin, not your phone, the lock screen pin. So make sure it is the SIM pin that you enter in. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.